Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Red color, blue color, brown color, yellow color, black color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A for apple, A for ant, and use red color. The alphabets of A. B for ball, B for bat, and again use red color. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C, and use blue color. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. Kids again use blue color and draw D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use brown color. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use brown color and draw F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids now draw G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids now draw I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I, and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. Kids now draw K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids now draw M for moon. The alphabets of M, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids now draw O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids now draw Q for queen. The alphabets of Q, and use brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Tell words of R. Kids, now draw S. S for sun. Tell words of S. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Tell words of T. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella. Tell words of U. And use black color. Black color. It's neither V. V for van, V for vanilla. Tell words of V. And use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw W. W for wolf. Tell words of W. W for wolf. Tell words of W. Kids, now draw X. X for X-ray. Tell words of X. And use red color. Red color. X for X-ray. Kids, now draw Y. Y for yak. Tell words of Y. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The last we draw Z. Kids, today we draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.